Hey everyone, welcome back to my video. And I don't know what to do this challenge. So anyway, let's start. Today we are going to start a topic called Introduction to Callback in JavaScript. So I think you heard about the callbacks. What is a callback? Callback is a function calling itself is callbacks. No, that is recursion. So what is a callbacks? Maybe what कॉल will be back भी मैं अपने आप को बुला रहा हूँ या फिर मैं किसी और को बुला रहा हूँ तो ये कॉल बैक हो गया ओके सो वो तो बुलाना हो गया वो तो कॉल हो गया कॉल बैक्स क्या होते हैं नाउ इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू understand the callbacks in JavaScript. I hope you can understand and I can clear my doubts. Now let's start. I'm using the JavaScript info library or the website. You can check out them. So let's start. First things as many functions are provided by a JavaScript host environment that allows to schedule asynchronous actions. Async await. In other words, words that initiate now but they finish later. So let's start. For instance, we have a set timeout functions. They are the real world example, but asynchronous loading script example modules. Okay, so here is the one example they have given. There is a function called load script which takes the argument which can be script, and what it does, it creates a script element inside the HTML file via function load. And if you load the script in your HTML file, the script should be loaded. But here's the one problem, that is said the script is executed asynchronously, as it start loading but runs later when the function has already finished. If there is any code below the load script, it does not it wait until the script loading finish. So if there is a new function inside the script and you call, there is no function. Why? Because the script isn't loaded yet. So what we can do? So there are naturally the browser who probably didn't have time to load the script. That is the one of the logic, or the internet is slow and the server did not respond. There are very others reasons can be. So what can be done here? So here we are adding a callback. So what is said says let add a callback function as a second argument to load script that should execute when the script loads. There is a function load script callbacks. So they're the same, the creating the element of the script. But here what we did here, when the script dot load on load, then we call back the script. What happens if the script is not loaded? We can't call this. When the script is loaded, then we can only call the script, else it just stays. So you heard about the onload event that described that it basically execute a function after the script loaded and executed. So here I have shown the example. This is my JavaScript file. It has nothing with code. Just HTML file where I will put the index file, and here is the function. So then let's create a function. Mm, and then, JavaScript query. Now here is the script, and if I want to access the name and I can pass my name, I should get error. Why? Because it's a string. So again, so it's executed. But if I change it here in HTML and I load it first, and let us copy. Here is going to be a problem if you are getting the script file from the server or any other location, and when the script is loaded at the top of the HTML, the script loaded the first. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Mm, If the script is loaded, taking time. If the script is too big, it takes a lot of time, and you call the function that is not loaded. So what will be happen? The function is not defined in this because I'm in localhost. The cache is too fast, so I guess it can be shown here, but it happens. So there is callback in callbacks.